Hello everyone, today we're heading to Tempe, Arizona for a walking tour of downtown. We'll also be exploring a vibrant event called Tempe Blooms, filled with colorful sights and much more. Downtown Tempe is a very vibrant area with a nice mix of urban energy and outdoor charm. If you love beautiful gardens, colorful blooms, and an amazing outdoor experience, this event is something that you won't want to miss. Tempe Blooms is a yearly festival where the beauty of nature meets artistic expression. For 2 days, the event transforms the city into a wonderful paradise with flowers in full bloom, art installations, and activities for all ages. One of the highlights of Tempe Blooms is, of course, the breathtaking floral displays.
It's always okay not to talk to call strangers. Yeah.
Whether it's the vibrant tulips or the delicate roses, there's something to delight every flower enthusiast here. You could easily spend hours immersing yourself in the vibrant colors and lovely fragrances. But the beauty of Tempe Blooms isn't just limited to the flowers. There are incredible art installations scattered throughout the venue. Local artists showcase their work, and there are plenty of vendors with unique handmade goods to browse. You can experience live paintings and watch beautiful vibrant murals come to life. And if you're into live music, you'll find several performances scattered throughout the event, adding to the festive atmosphere. It's the perfect way to enjoy the outdoors while supporting local artists. There's also something for everyone, from families with kids to garden enthusiasts. Workshops on gardening, sustainable practices, and floral arranging are just a few of the activities that you can participate in. And of course, no event is complete without food. You'll find a variety of food trucks offering delicious bites from local favorites to international cuisines. Downtown also always has a great art scene, with galleries, museums, and live performances. It's also known for Mill Avenue, a lively street lined with shops, restaurants, cafes, and bars, attracting students and locals alike, especially because of Arizona State University nearby. Close by, you'll find lots of outdoor spaces like Tempe Beach Park and Tempe Town Lake, perfect for walking, biking, scooting, kayaking, and more. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.